Okay. So collaboration is key to success, especially in complex projects. Can you share some of your methods of fostering effective collaboration among stakeholders in complex development projects?
Yeah, it's an interesting question. I kind of touched on it before, but I think what it is the first thing I've always experienced when you put together a project is a team is it's like putting a footy team together, right? And um, our job, we like to think of ourselves as the coach, or if in a musical sense, we're the conductor of the orchestra. Now, and let's maybe stay on the orchestra example. If you have a team of musicians who are all extraordinarily well trained, they're all with 15 years experience, and you put them together in the room and you've got a really experienced conductor, the conductor can stand up, do what they do, and a symphony can be created. You know, the most beautiful sound can be created. But if you take half of those musicians and you put some kids who are 19 and just at the beginning of their journey, and they know how to play music, but they don't have the experience of having, worked under a conductor for 5 years, and you say, play this symphony, you can see instantly there'll be a disconnect. The communication between the people here and there, and it doesn't work. So one of the first things we do on any project, you try and get like-minded consultants and the broader team with, at a similar level. So where it breaks down, and I used it before, if you have like a large scale architecture firm, but then they're like, oh, I know this structural engineer, he's really good, he's a one-man band, but he knows his shit or her shit, and then so and you start to mix, you get different cadence and a rhythm. And projects are all about a rhythm and a cadence. It's almost like a dance. When projects run well, there's a rhythm to them, and people understand the cadence. And what I mean by the cadence is the expectations of the team. So generally, our projects, we run a pretty tight ship. People expect accountability, timeframes, program. So we struggle, my learning, when we do a project with the wrong type of consultants, we struggle because our expectations, what we expect from them, they can't deliver. And when they can't deliver to the quality or to the speed that we need, it just breaks everything down, creates then frustration, bad will. So projects work best when you get an alignment of expertise and quality amongst the team, because then they respect each other, they value each other's views, and you're all on the same journey. So yeah, I think that to me, there's no silver bullet to these type of things, but it's about trying to just think at the beginning. It's that and it goes back to why am I making this decision? Why am I really choosing this person? Is it just because I got a relationship with them and I really like them and I like going for drinks with them and, I kind of feel guilty if I don't? Or is it, standing back and actually putting them all on a whiteboard and saying, what team looks right for this project?
Mm.